Alright guys, I just put a little bit of gel and I'm gonna try to do my ponytail the highest I could do it, because I don't want to be cutting any of these hairs out. You hear me? Alright, let's go, let's go. See? Let's see. Okay. Talk about these here, guys. You have to be careful. Okay, I'll keep it like this for now. Okay, guys. Let's begin the video. So you guys already know what you guys gotta do. Get some of the oil. Where is it? Jeez. All right here. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put in this machine. Just a bit. There we go. And then I'll leave some from our other machine. There we go. Okay. Wash my hands. Check the mirror. Is the mirror good? Is the mirror good? Huh? Kind of dirty. Let's keep it going, guys. This is the GoPro 8 Hero Black 8. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be back in 3, 2, 1 when this is a bald 0. Okay, I'll show you one little step, but I don't want to show you my secret. I'm not a barber, guys, and I don't plan on cutting anyone's hair. I'm just trying to save myself some money, and that's what it is. I'll be back. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so this was step 1. As you guys can see, did a 0 all the way around. I need to get the flip screen once it comes out for the GoPro. It came out, but I don't know where to buy it. But yeah, guys, I'll show you guys. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna try to erase the line. Put in lever all the way down. Down. Let's go. So far, it looks like it did tip of the line. Let's go with this line, guys. Sorry if you guys hear any noise, man. I don't know. Hope you guys don't hear anything, but yeah, I'm gonna keep it going, guys. See that? It's the first little fade going. Erase the line, guys. Gotta erase the first guideline line, guys, cause man, that's the only thing I have trouble with the most. Hope you guys can see it. Don't expect it to be the best line, guys, you know? Yeah, I can work with that. I can work with that. I can work with that. Oh, guys, it's coming out good, man. Doesn't look too bad right now. I'm gonna fade it now, guys. Okay, so we'll begin the fading part. The number 1. Yes, we will. Let's go. I'm gonna do. Let's do. Where's the 1? Start. I'm gonna start with it. See how it's closed? I'm gonna start with it open. I'm not a barber, guys. I'll say it again. So yeah, this is a bad haircut, guys, for barbers. I don't know. Oh well, it's what it is. It's better than wasting money, guys. Especially want to look good every week. Every week, I'm gonna be looking good for free, guys. That's the goal. Okay, this side needs to be on. Okay, not that bad, guys. Obviously, I'm not done, but yeah, like, you know, I got a little bit of skill, guys, you know. Let's keep it going. There ain't no lacking around here. This is almost like a 2, but it's like a 1. I don't know. It feels like, can't explain it, but hold on. Where is it? Where's the 1? This is 1.5. Alright. Purple Gang out here. Purple City Bird Gang. I'm gonna have it all the way open. Let's fade. Let's get rid of this bulk. Oh, I wanna go put gel bit. Put a bit of gel, man. Just a little bit. My sides keep going down. Okay. Let's proceed. How's it looking? Oh yeah. I need this right now. Okay guys, one thing I hate about cutting my own hair in my house is a mess. You have to clean afterwards. Look at that. I gotta clean my machine good, you know. Look at the floor, filthy. But it's okay because I just saved myself minimum 30 bucks. And imagine, I do this every week for free. So imagine that, 30 bucks a month, 30, 60, 90, 120 a month. That adds up, But yeah, this is the final touch, guys. I think looks pretty decent, guys. Like, obviously I'm not a barber, so I'm not the best at it, but this is better than spending money, guys. So yeah, in life, guys, you gotta have balls to try new things. If it's gonna make you better, save you money, do it up. That's all I gotta say to you guys. Don't be scared. So yeah, I hope you guys like this little video. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment if you want. And just remember one thing though, I'll be back though, yeah. Stay fly.